Pontiac GTO is back. But not like you remember it. This isn't just a revival, it's a rebirth. The 2026 Pontiac GTO storms onto the scene with electrifying design, cutting-edge performance, and futuristic aggression that turns heads and melts rubber. This is American muscle, reimagined for the next generation. Before we fire up this beast, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share this with your fellow gearheads. You're watching Next Gen Car Channel, where passion meets horsepower. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the front design of the 2026 Pontiac GTO makes a statement that's impossible to ignore. Its bold, angular fascia features dual black mesh grilles that hint at raw power, framed by sleek LED matrix headlights with distinctive daytime running lights. The hood is sculpted with precision, showcasing sharp aerodynamic lines and functional heat extractors, giving the car an aggressive and performance-ready appearance. With its deep metallic green paint and low-slung front splitter, this GTO looks like it's devouring the pavement even at a standstill. Shifting to the side profile, the 2026 GTO continues to impress with its athletic stance and aerodynamic contours. The chiseled bodywork is accentuated by dramatic side air intakes that feed airflow directly into the high-performance powertrain and braking systems. Wide rear haunches create a powerful visual impact, while blacked-out mirror caps and low-profile door handles maintain the car's sleek form. Sitting on massive multi-spoke alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile performance tires, the GTO's side view perfectly balances elegance and raw muscle. Moving to the rear, the GTO's design becomes even more futuristic. The sculpted rear fascia features a floating ducktail spoiler integrated seamlessly into the fastback silhouette. Ultra-slim LED taillights stretch across the width, emphasizing the car's low and wide stance. Below that, a massive carbon fiber rear diffuser surrounds the center exit exhausts, reinforcing the car's high-performance identity. Subtle branding and a BBR badge hint at a track-tuned variant, while the intricate rear bumper design adds complexity and visual drama to the overall look. Under the hood, or more accurately under its carbon fiber skin, the 2026 Pontiac GTO redefines American muscle. While classic GTOs roared with naturally aspirated V8s, this next-gen beast opts for a twin-turbocharged V6 paired with dual electric motors. Together, they produce a combined output north of 800 horsepower, launching the GTO from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. All-wheel drive, torque vectoring, and active aerodynamics work in harmony to deliver supercar-level handling and straight-line speed. It's not just a muscle car anymore. It's a tech-savvy performance monster built for the future. Inside, the GTO continues to blend tradition with innovation. The cabin is a perfect mix of premium materials and race-inspired functionality. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum line every surface, while a wraparound OLED touchscreen dominates the dashboard. This futuristic interface blends into a fully digital gauge cluster, with customizable displays that switch from retro GTO dials to modern telemetry readouts. The deeply bolstered performance seats keep the driver locked in through every curve, while the flat-bottom steering wheel includes integrated drive mode selectors and paddle shifters. Add in ambient lighting, wireless connectivity, voice controls, and a premium audio system, and you have a cockpit that's both luxurious and laser-focused on performance. Pricing for the 2026 Pontiac GTO positions it as a serious contender in the supercar space. The base model is expected to start at $95,000, offering an impressive mix of performance and style. However, enthusiasts looking for maximum performance can opt for the BBR Track Edition, which pushes the price north of $130,000. With only a few thousand units planned for global production, the GTO won't just be fast, it'll be rare, collectible, and a symbol of American performance redefined. To wrap it up, the 2026 Pontiac GTO isn't just a nameplate reborn. It's a next-gen American muscle car that respects its roots while blowing past them with futuristic style, hybrid power, and track-ready attitude. Whether you're a nostalgic GTO lover or a tech-hungry speed freak, this machine is proof that the muscle car still has a place in tomorrow's world. Want more bold revivals and high-octane reviews? Smash that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. Is this the best GTO ever made? Or has it gone too far from its roots?